Dear viewers, in my previous video I had told you how to write display advertisements. In this video I will tell you how to write classified advertisements. In the CBSE examination, classified advertisements are of 4 marks and you have to write within 50 words. Classified advertisements are those advertisements which are published under one class. For example, all the advertisements related to wanted situations or situations wanted are published under one column, one class. That is why they are called classified advertisements. These advertisements can be seen very commonly in newspapers, in magazines, and in different periodicals. Now, these advertisements you have to write within a box, and there are other things which you need to know about these advertisements. The popular types of classified advertisements are related to recruitment, property, matrimony, education, personal business, and obituary. Commonly, we see them under the title To Let, Wanted, Situation Vacant, Situation Wanted, Matrimonials, Sale of Property, Leasing of a Property, etc. etc. When we go to write the classified advertisements, these are the things that you have to keep in your mind. Now look at the aspects that we need to consider while writing a classified advertisement. So you can see classified advertisements are generally grouped within the publication under headings classifying the product or services. These are commonly seen in newspapers, magazines, and periodicals. Popular types of classified advertisements are related to recruitment, property, matrimony, education, personal, business, and obituary. When you write the classified advertisement, you write it in a box. This box can be of two types. Either you can go for this type of box or you can go for this type of box. This type of box gives the newspaper appearance to the advertisement. When you are writing the advertisement in the box, on the top, in the middle, at this place, you should write the heading of the advertisement. For example, to let, wanted, etc. So give the heading, and you can use sentences, you can use phrases while writing advertisement, classified advertisement. First of all, when you write the advertisement, you should give the description of the situation for which advertisement has been given. For example, if you want to let out a building on rent, first of all give the description of the building. After description, you should mention the location. If it is applicable, you should write the location where this is situated. You should also include rent, salary, or price. Maybe rent will be applicable, or salary will be applicable, or price will be applicable. If you have no idea about the rent, salary, or price, you should intelligently use the word negotiable. For example, rent negotiable, salary negotiable, etc. After writing the rent, salary, or property, you should give the contact details. This part is also very important. And for writing the contact details, you should use latest or current style of writing. For example, in place of giving description of the address, you can go for email. You can give email ID, and therefore thereby you will be able to save a lot of words as well. When your advertisement is complete, then you should draw the fourth line of the box and complete it. So the displayed classified advertisement has actually two important parts. One is description section, second one is rent, salary, or price, and the third important aspect is the contact details. And this way, if you follow these instructions and practice writing classified advertisements, you can expect to score 4 out of 4.